Millions of jobs are about to disappear in the next 12 to 24 months, not decades from now, right now. The careers people are building today could be gone tomorrow. The question is your job one of them? AI is moving faster than the last 3 industrial revolutions combined. Companies are already replacing repetitive and entry-level positions because AI works 24/7, makes fewer mistakes, and saves businesses billions. This isn't science fiction. AI is already drafting legal contracts, writing code, editing videos, diagnosing illnesses, and even managing financial trades. Here are 10 jobs most at risk of disappearing in the next 12-24 months. Customer service representatives, data entry clerks, basic copywriters, paralegal assistants, translators, entry-level video, editors bookkeeping and accounting, clerks retail cashiers, travel agents market, researchers. But here's the golden truth. Jobs aren't just disappearing, they're transforming. For every role AI replaces, new opportunities are opening. New roles are emerging in AI management, creative strategy, personalized services, and tech development. The difference between those who get replaced and those who thrive comes down to adaptability. If your job can be reduced to predictable, repetitive tasks, AI will do it faster, cheaper, and better. But if you learn to use AI as your tool instead of fearing it, you won't just survive this shift, you'll lead it. The future isn't about AI taking jobs. It's about people who know how to work with AI taking opportunities from those who don't. Stay ahead, subscribe for more AI insights.